I'm Jen, and welcome to Happy Eating with Jen. I'm a gardener, I'm a mom, I'm a cook. Well, a home cook anyways. I love working with fresh vegetables and the bright colors and smells of things that I grow in my garden and putting those onto a plate and in my home. Come with me as we explore great things to fix for your family.
Hey Shannon, you want gravy?
Needless to say, you start with good sausage. I like Bass Farm hot sausage. It's country sausage. Jimmy Dean's all natural sausage. You use good flour and you brown it up. You get it all incorporated together. Here's about 1/3 of a pound of sausage, and I put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of flour. And you can tell when you have enough flour because, it just sort of soaks it all up and looks kind of like wet sand.
This is the tricky part. You have to cook the flour until it comes a light brown, and it's got to be over medium heat, not too hot. You don't want to burn it. You're going to stir it every little bit until it develops the color you like. This is almost correct for me. I'll probably go another 30, 45 seconds. And then I'm going to add in about 1/3 of the milk and stir it up until there's no clumps. And then I'll add in another 1/3 of the milk, and then you have to slowly bring it to a boil when the milk. So this is after adding about 2/3 of the milk, and there's no clumps. You can see that it's thick, but it's not boiled yet, so it's going to get even thicker. That's why we've reserved about 1/3 of the milk. So we need to make certain that we just add enough until it coats the spoon really well. And notice that it's coating the spoon really well right now, but it'll get thicker as it boils. So we don't want it to get too thick and be like a pudding or something. You want it to be where it'll go over the biscuits, nice and creamy. I've added all the milk, and you can see that it's thinner, and I still have to wait for it to completely boil, but I added the milk when it started getting really thick, and of course every time you add the cold milk, it cools the mixture down, so then it takes a little longer to boil. So this is a patience activity, and you just continue to stir. I like my flattened wooden spoon because it scrapes the bottom and it scrapes the edge really good.
It's thick enough when it coats a biscuit like this. It puddles, but it makes a drip on the edge. In Italy, there is no country sausage, so I had to get crafty and figure out how to make it. You could buy ground pork, and you could buy sage, red pepper, garlic, and black pepper and salt. And I put it in this cute little container that came with our house. Brought the sausage up to room temperature, mixed in the spices, covered the meat, and put it into the refrigerator overnight, and then was able to use this sausage to make country sausage gravy and biscuits in Italy.
I'm gonna have biscuits and gravy.